All right, if you're looking for free stuff like Ableton, there's actually some solid options. First off, Cakewalk by BandLab is insane for free. It's basically a full pro DAW, unlimited tracks, MIDI plugins, all that. Only thing is it's Windows only. But if you're on PC, it's hard to beat. Then there's Traction Waveform Free. It works on Windows, Mac, and even Linux, and it doesn't limit your tracks either. The workflow is really modern and drag and drop, kind of like Ableton in terms of arranging stuff. Takes a little getting used to if you're brand new, but it's super powerful for $0. If you want something lighter and simpler, LMS is pretty good. Open source cross-platform, great for making beats and electronic music. The UI is a bit old school and it's not really meant for recording live audio, but it gets the job done for loops and synths.